Hello YouTube.
Is it really hello?
Hello YouTube.
Hello YouTube. We're going on.
Kylie, she drives a 350Z or Z33. You can follow in the caption down here below. Kylie Z33.
Thank you.
And
We're going on an adventure.
what are we doing today? Today we're driving a little Honda.
It is quite little. 2 liter.
2 liter, just 2 liter, an open motor. I just gotta slosh the fuel around because we put a little E96, I think it's E96 or E95, 33% blend. Nothing crazy, it's just, it helps a little bit.
It just burns a little bit better.
Makes a few extra ponies. And then, yeah, we're going to talk about this car. I think it's very weird that I'm reviewing my own car. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drive, we're going to do some rolling things, we're going to swap drivers. Kylie's going to talk about the car.
I'm gonna drive.
Yeah.
We need to get a pillow.
No, you just slide the seat forward, I'm sure.
I'm little, remember?
Okay, well, she's going to have to stretch. Forward, so like use all the momentum. Yeah, and then go forward. Yeah, that's all it goes.
Oh wow. That's a stretch.
I don't even have a pillow in here.
My bag is here, so that will have to work.
Okay, so she's so small that she needs to sit on her bag to actually get in the seat.
Okay.
Is that better?
I think so. Well, at least I can see over the steering wheel this time. So.
Yeah, that is a bonus, right? Oh, there's the piggies.
Literally.
Oink oink, piggy piggy, oink oink. Bacon, bacon, I smell bacon.
Without a doubt.
So what, to Heineken?
Okay.
We can go like kind of the scenic route, go down Michelle and then catch the highway again. Somebody looks happy.
Thank you.
The last time we went to that effect. So a list of mods that's been done to the car is, now we're going to ask you, since you're driving the car, what's been done to this car?
Well, the very clear, loud situation here is exhaust because I have to shout at you.
3 inches.
3 inches.
A full 3 inches all the way back.
Wowsies.
And a 4:2:2:1 header. Okay.
In South African terms, I don't know what inches is.
Inches 76 mils, so 25.6 is a inch mils.
Okay, cool. No, I get that.
Okay.
I just didn't.
It's 25.2 or 25.6, I'm sure it is.
I have like no clutch control.
Yeah, the car's not very happy over like bumps and stuff. Very stiff. But it's set up to go racing. It's a street car for the racetrack.
It is.
A race car for the road.
It is a bit stiff,
Yeah.
but it's so cool. Which when I say
A
old,
granny, let's
like,
put it like that. A
like-
granny, grey hair.
granny, like the kind of granny that would walk around with one of those,
Those pushing sticks.
yeah, with the tennis balls on the bottom.
Yes.
That was super cool.
So yeah, this is like my favorite car to drive. Because it is just so cool. You can wring its neck, and then you just keep wringing its neck, and you just keep on, and whatever. It just demands more. It's a driver's car. Like the harder you drive it, the more it wants, and the more you drive it, the harder it wants to go. This car is the absolute meaning or the definition of a hooligan. It is absurdly loud. Yeah, there's another modification Kylie obviously does not realize that she's sitting in.
Oh no shit, Sherlock. You used to have these gorgeous red seats that you decided, nope,
They didn't hold me in place enough.
no, they're just too heavy.
Oh, and they were heavy. You can see. You can clearly see Kylie is used to driving a 350 because she shifts at 7,000. She does not know that
Am I supposed to rev it up more?
it clutch kick, clutch kick, clutch kick, clutch kick. Oh.
So anyways, that's it. If you like the video, drop a comment. Even if you don't like the video, drop a comment.